Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to send a video as a snap on Snapchat. So the first thing to do is to launch or open your Snapchat application. Then on the right side, you will see features and options here, but what you're going to do is to click director mode and then click import media. Now, once you tap this, you can see this camera roll and memory. So you can add a video from camera roll or from memory. So just select the video that you want to send to your friend or to someone. So once you have chosen or tapped the video, then you can click this check icon and then tap preview. Here you can edit your video, you can add text, change color, you can add stickers, and you can add links if you want. And then after that, send this to your friend or to someone. So you just have to tap his or her name or tap the circle here and then click this blue icon, and then after that, you will see this notification above Snap Send. As easy as that. So you can send more videos if you want. And to check if you have really sent a video, you can go to that person's conversation. As you can see here, your message has been delivered. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.